Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video today we are gonna switch out the air vents, and those are broken. As you can see, they are practically missing everything. I have gone ahead and switched them out already. It was fairly easy. I mean, it's not so hard. At first all you gotta do is you gotta get to this screw right there. You're gonna unscrew that one. There's another one on the opposite side as well. For this, you are gonna need to pry it with a flathead screwdriver. You are gonna have to use a little bit of force, but nothing so hard. It shouldn't be so bad. After you get done with this, you are gonna find yourself with a metal plate. However, you are gonna need the 5x16 right here. This is the one you should use. That one should take care of the metal plate. Like I said, there's screws here for the plastic cover, and then there's another screw on the opposite side. And then for the metal plate, there's a screw about right here. There's another one on the opposite side as well. You just go ahead and take that out. Once you get to the air vent, you are gonna find yourself with two screws like that. That's pretty much it. What you're gonna do with those is you're gonna use a 9x32 on the socket wrench right here. That's the one you're gonna need. And once you take those out, you just pry this top part open and it should come out. You just put it back in there, screw it back on, and you're all set. Thanks for watching.